All right, guys, let's focus on the function of a function rule, also known as the chain rule and the outside-inside rule. Now, speaking of which, I'm going to show you the rule up here. It's super cool. It's right up here, and I'm going to show you how it works. We got the inside part first in blue. That's the function x. As you can see here, we've got it in blue. And we've got brackets, and in black, that power goes to the front right there, and we subtract that power, and then we multiply by the internal part here of the differential of that. So we differentiate this part and we multiply by it over here. As you can see, f prime x over there. That's why we're going to do this example. Once we do this, I'll give you another example to give you even more clarity on how this chain rule works. So let's do this example here. So let's get stuck into it. All right, the first thing we want to do is bring that 1/4 because it's a fractional power. So let's bring that quarter to the front. So 1/4 to the front, brackets, and we've got x to the power of 4 plus 4x, close brackets, and that quarter, we simply subtract 1 from that. Now we multiply by the differentiating the guts, the inside part, and the inside part here will be differential of x to the power of 4 is 4x cubed. Then we've got plus, and the differential of 4x is just 4. Close brackets. Okay, let's further simplify this. Now, what I'm going to do is multiply right across here. The 1/4 can multiply to that, and it can also multiply to that. So those 4s will turn into 1s. And then I'm going to take it and bring it to the front. So that 4 and that 4 is going to cancel. 1/4 of 4 is just 1. 1/4 of 4 is just 1. Can you see that? Okay, that's the same as going 4 divided by 4, which is 1. So let's further simplify this. Now what we have here is x cubed plus 1. That'll turn into x cubed plus 1. So let's write that up as that. So we've got x cubed plus 1 right there. And over here, we've simply got this part here as x to the 4th plus 4x to the power of, let me just rub this area here. Now, 1/4 subtract 1 will give us -3/4. Okay, that's what a differential equals. All right, f prime x equals x to the power 4 plus 4x times, multiplied, x cubed plus 1, and don't forget the -3/4 there. Now we're going to write this up in a way that looks a lot more precise and nice. So let's write it down as a fraction. That also equals, well, that's -3/4, so that'll go in the denominator, and that's as a positive 1, so that's going to go up the top. So let's write that on the top. So that's going to be x cubed plus 1 all over the denominator, which is this part here, x to the 4th, 4x, and all that's going to be to the power of 3/4. Okay, there's our answer. That's the differential of that question we just did. Okay.